Hey everyone. First of all, thanks for tuning into my channel. And second of all, I'd like to apologize in advance. Parts of this video get pretty noisy because there's a lot of background noise. 2, I'm sanding, and 3, there's just folks screaming their heads off in a different room. I can do much about it, but I'm going to try to eliminate as much of that noise as possible without drowning out my voice, which is part of the video. But there's certain places that I think you can turn on closed captioning, and that might help. If it doesn't, I'll just try to come back and do a voiceover for the whole thing. But mostly it's just the actions that speak louder than the words. So enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Thumbs up all the way, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. And don't forget to hit that bell icon, because more videos are coming. Alright, cheers. This is a really easy way of taking these things out that I just found. Maybe someone else knows it, but I just figured it out. Anyway, these mount for like closet shelves or something. Anyway, I'm gonna try to balance this phone and do this at the same time. So essentially, I'm holding that with a plier, but I have to get essentially a chisel, flathead chisel. Is it flathead? Whatever it is, whatever. Something really sharp. Get that right behind this and start prying little by little. I think you could use a kitchen knife or something. Pry that out. Yeah, I think this works better if it's all these guys are in drywall, which in my situation, unfortunately, they are. I have all that to do. I've taken out some of these, but I have a whole lot more to go. And that whole wall, so yeah. But yeah, this seems to work. Seems to work fine, and at least I'll be able to save some time and not constantly rip holes in my wall. And even work from the corners. Just put your wrist in it. And when you're done, you can, section it out or go do the whole wall or the whole room. When you're done, just take a pair of pliers or probably pliers and something. Just pull them out. Finish this section. These guys that I need to pull out. Let's try it on something bigger. See, after they're pulled out a bit, you just come with a pair of pliers. You can pull that out with a little less damage than that. So pull it out with the chisel or something sharp in order to be safe. You pull this guy out gently. that could cause more damage if I didn't take these things off. That could cause a whole lot of damage. And please never use these. Alright, so this is still going on. I need to sand. This is still going on. I need to sand right now. So I'm going to try to smoothen. Let me see if I can show you. I don't know if you can see, but smoothen all those rough areas for them to look something like that. See? There you can literally see those bumps. Yeah, you can see that better. See? We need to get all those things fairly smooth, even though it's just wallpaper that's going to be going on here. But if wallpaper goes on to something that's rough, you're going to tell. It needs to be smooth like that, or relatively close, where you don't see so much of a gradient area, you can't feel it. All right, let's get to sanding, or trying to finish it up. You should be wearing a mask because this stuff is nasty for your lungs. Ignore all that noise and get to sanding. Get the right tools. I don't want to get the whole pole. So it looks like those holes filled in quite nicely. Now that's what's up. Let's put this guy down. Oh, and almost forgot. This is a drywall hook and loop. I got it from the department store. I'll leave a link in the description. It's kind of good, especially if you have the pole that goes along with it. Lets you get to those really high places. If not, you're gonna have to stand on a ladder. Kind of dangerous. But yeah, I'll leave the link in the description, and I'm using 150 grit. I can go smoother, but it's just a wall. I'm gonna cover it with wallpaper anyway. All rough spots. Ooh, that's really rough. I'm gonna be sanding that for a while. Yeah, wish me luck. Wish me luck. Let's see how this one turns out. It's actually not bad at all. Yeah, that's definitely not bad at all. Because it's 150. Because the grit is 150, it takes off a lot of the material. Leaves exactly what you want on there. Close it, close it, close the door. Why are you doing it back? Because it's dusty in here. Yeah. Alright, so progress report. Everything is down. All the holes are sealed. Well, except that one. Except these two. I need to come back and do that. But yeah, all the shelves are cut. All the holes have been sealed. Just a few things left. Then the framework for the shelves will start going in.